Okay, today I got a 1000 watt generator inverter here, and a lot of people don't realize this, but why do you want an inverter over a generator? This is made to run your delicate electronics off of because it's more of a steady type flow of electricity versus a generator. A generator takes AC current and basically runs it off an alternator, and the current's all up and down. These here take AC current, put it into DC current, and then digitize it back into AC current, which a lot of people, that don't even matter. But what it is it's more of a steady stream of current, and it's not going to hurt any of your computers, TVs, refrigerators, anything like that. Versus a generator, sometimes it might will, sometimes it might won't. Another reason to have one of these is it's lightweight. It's only 35 pounds in weight. Anyone can basically move this thing around almost. It's compact, it's real little. You can store it in a lot of tight places, take it with you wherever you're going. If you're going racetrack, camping, just wherever you need some electricity, this thing's going to come in handy. It's also easy to use, easy to maintain. It's not difficult or anything like that. You ain't gonna have two people to lift it up. And anyways, I'm gonna show you basically how this thing works. You got an on and off switch right here. It's in the on position right now. This right here is your pull cord. It's a pull start. And then you have a choke up here. To put the choke in the choke position, you move it to the right. Once you crank it and it warms up, you move it to the left. This cover here comes off of it, and your oil stick is right there behind this cover on the engine, and you got to fill this with oil whenever you get it. But a really neat thing that they send with this thing is you got this canister here. Basically, you fill that up to about the 2 mark right there on this, and pour about all of it in, and then check your oil. And you also have a funnel that goes with it. Should be full of oil, and then fill it up with some gas. And you got a primer bulb here on the front of it. Prime it a few times, get gas in it up to the carburetor, and then you're ready to pull start. I'm going to show you how it works. But you got a plug wrench, take spark plug in and out. Up here on top, you just remove this cover, it pops right off, and you can get right to the plug on this thing if you ever change the spark plug. And then these gator clips here, you have a funny looking plug. It plugs in right here for DC current. If you want to charge a car battery or any type of battery, that's what you want to use to charge your battery. So this thing is AC and DC. You have a ground right there. These are your electrical sockets. You just flip them up, plug whatever into it that you want to run. You're ready to go. This right here is an idle switch. And you can turn it off if you want it running wide open, full power all the time, or you can turn it on, and what happens is the motor actually adjusts to whatever load that it's pulling, and it'll be a lot quieter if you're not really using much electricity at all. These right here are your output indicators. Your green light is on all the time. Your red light is the override light, and what happens is it trips the circuit in. If you overload this thing too much, that light's going to come on. To reset it, what you got to do is turn it off and turn it back on, recrank it, and you reset it. And then you got the low oil light right there. If it's low in oil, it won't run. But if you see that light on, then you know you need to add some oil as well. Up here on top, you just take this off, and this is where you add your gas. Pour gas in it. You got a screen down in there. It's going to filter anything out that needs to be filtered out. And then you got on and off here. Make sure you read your owner's manual before you operate this machine. I got it in the on position, and I've already got it primed. So all I'm gonna do is pull it here and start it up and let you hear it run. So it's real quiet. Now mind you that I'm in a closed up garage right now because there's a million cars that goes past the house outside. But that's it. If you happen not to have power, these things come in real handy too. You can run fans, you can run TV, you can run. There's so many things that you can do with one of these things. The list is almost endless, and I really love it because it's compact and it's lightweight, and basically it comes in handy. So share this video, and let somebody see this thing. And thank you for taking time to watch this.